We all deserve to feel luxurious, stylish, and fabulous. That's why I couldn't be more happy to be collaborating with Verano Hill today. We all like to add pieces to our wardrobe that makes us feel a little bit more ourselves, a little bit more elevated fashion and stylish and unique. That's why the bags from Verano Hill are the perfect complement to any outfit, whether it's going out during the day or evening or any look or occasion. And the best part, the affordability. Verano Hill is all about affordable luxury, bringing you well-crafted accessories without the inflated price. I've been seeing them all over my social media lately, but you can catch them in Elle, Harper's Bazaar, Forbes, and more. The best part is they have free shipping and free returns on all items, and you have a 6-month warranty with your bag. I was elated that they reached out to collaborate on this video with me, and I am so excited to show you these stylish, stunning, luxurious, effortlessly chic bags that I picked out from Verano Hill. Then just keep watching. And right now they have a buy one, get one free. I don't know if it will still be going on by the time that I upload this video, but definitely check out the website to see. I will have links to the bags in my description box, as well as the sale. Hopefully it's still going on. I know that they will be having a lot of sales throughout the year, so just keep looking out for them. All right, we are gonna unbox these bags together. I'm so excited to show you them. First of all, you have to check out the beautiful duster bags that they come in. And this feels heavy, you guys. The weight of this bag feels so luxurious already. The craftsmanship, I've peeked in at them and checked out kind of all of the detailing on them. The craftsmanship on these bags is exquisite. So nice, yet so affordable. And I know I'm going to be like wearing these all fall long. Perfect fall accessories. They come very well protected, very well protected. So I might even just cut part of this out to kind of take some of these pieces off because there's so much covering these bags. So first off, we have the Marseille bag, and she is the epitome of elegance, and just the structure and the detailing in this bag is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna take off some of these plastic wraps now. All right, this bag looks so sharp and sophisticated. It is created with high quality materials, and this will just elevate the look of any outfit that you are wearing, whether you are in something dressy and elegant or something casual and laid back. I love the way you see celebs pair their high fashion designer bags with, like, when they're just wearing sweats and stuff. This is totally giving that vibe. The top handle is so soft and comfortable, so you can wear it around your wrist, or you have the option of the crossbody, which gives you so much kind of comfortable versatility, range to just be free, but also be super chic. Now, I can't believe the detailing in the craftsmanship on this bag. Let's just open her up and see inside. The size of this bag gives you so many options. Like, okay, here we have our strap to keep it versatile, but keep it functional without compromising any of our style. There's so much in here to keep her nice and full. Oh wow, I just can't believe how well these are packaged, you guys. There's lots of paper in there. All right, we have so many compartments in here. So we have kind of this flap on the one side, then we have another compartment, a zipper, we have a middle compartment where we can keep things nice and secure, and then it's the same on the other side, so you can keep it really well organized and know that everything is safe and secure in your purse. I love the gold detailing on the bottom. This is just such a gorgeous bag. We have our adjustable strap that I am just going to clip on to the bag, and I will give you guys a couple looks on how I'll style each of these bags, just so you can get an idea of an outfit that you might want to wear, and in your closet, stuff that you have. And yeah, so cute. So it's awesome because it's adjustable and it just smells so good, so fresh, and the feeling of this bag, it just feels luxurious. Get to unboxing our next bag. Again, it's a beautiful duster that we can keep them nice and organized in our closet. And they come in a nice, another duster bag that keeps them protected. So here we have the delicious wine red Joyce shoulder bag. And this one is just so trendy with that nice woven texture. Like, I just feel like I see this on the streets of Paris Fashion Week, just paired with that street style, or you could dress it up as well. And again, more detailing on the inside. It just has this nice soft interior that'll hold all of your must-haves, all of your necessities inside. And I just love how cute she is. Like, you can just kind of put her under your arm and hold it like that, or you can wear it as a crossbody as well. And the Joyce shoulder bag comes in so many color options. I'll put those up on the screen for you guys so you can see, but this one is going to be so stunning for fall and winter. This is just the perfect little bag for your everyday looks, just to keep you looking stylish and on trend. And it also comes with the chain for the crossbody option. I love that it's woven into that gold detailing. Oh, and how cute is that? Here we have just the clasp that can obviously shorten and lengthen your chain, and it is just so beautiful. Like, this is so luxurious. I clipped the chain on and it looks even more cute. I can't wait to try this on and style it for you guys. I think it would be the perfect addition to anyone's collection. And last but not least, I think my favorite of the bunch. Again, in your beautiful royal blue dust bag, we have the beautiful Lauren handbag. Now, Lauren is going to be your best friend this fall and winter. Look at that rich brown, the suede look. The suede look is so big right now. Always big for fall and winter. And I cannot wait to pair this with outfits. Again, the gold detailing, and she comes in an array of colors. This underarm bag boasts soft textures that feels as good as it looks. So you can wear it underarm, or you have the crossbody choice. So stylish, yet so relaxed, perfect for your everyday essentials, and adds that touch of cool girl chic to any outfit. The Lauren bag is sophisticated as well, and so spacious. Again, we have so many compartments to this bag. Here is our lovely crossbody, and so it gives you the option of wearing either way, which is always fun. The versatility of all of their bags is so awesome. So here we have the interior with the gold detailing. Again, gives you great options for organizing all of your essentials and just keeping it cool. I love the little clasp on the front. You can close it. Got the top handle. Have this adorable piece to it as well. There are even back pockets if you need extra storage and extra compartments. The lovely Verano hill on the front, and the detailing on the bottom. Let's get into my favorite part, and that is creating outfits. So I'm going to show you how I style these purses. So much fun styling these bags. It is so effortless, just makes your outfit look that much cooler. I hope you guys got a little bit of outfit inspo from the looks that I created. Maybe if you already have these bags and you want to style them differently, or it makes you want to get these bags to style them. So again, thank you so much to Verano Hill for collaborating with me on the video. I absolutely love these bags. They are so beautiful, affordable, stunning, and quality. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.